Kia is committed to safety, and that's why three-point seatbelts are standard at every seating position. Today, we will cover the second and third row center seatbelt. See how it works, how it releases, and how you can easily retract and store the belt when not in use. Let's get started. You will find these center seatbelts on Kia vehicles with second or third row split folding seats. The reason for this retractable seatbelt is quite simple. Kia refuses to compromise on safety, and that means three-point seatbelts for each and every seating position. So let's take a closer look at how to properly buckle and unbuckle the rear center row seatbelt. First, release the belt assembly cover, the mini tongue, and pull the seatbelt from the retractor. Insert the mini tongue into the open end of the anchor connector until you hear it click into place. Now that we've secured 2 of the 3 points, all that is left to do is pull the belt across the middle seat and latch it securely into the buckle labeled center. And there you have it, a 3-point belt for the middle seating position, safe and secure. Of course, the time will come to retract the seatbelt, like when you're folding or removing the second or third row seats to store cargo. Here again, it's a simple process, with a slight trick to release the seatbelt anchor. Check it out. After the seatbelt has been unbuckled, use the latch or tongue plate to trigger the release button in the center anchor. You will notice this groove or slot in the anchor. When you insert the tongue plate into the slot, the middle buckle will release. Now you can insert the latch back into the plastic sheath and retract the entire belt into the ceiling and lock it into place. The seatbelt is the most important safety feature in any vehicle, and Kia makes no compromise, providing 3-point belts for every seating position. Safe, secure, and easy to use. For more information, always check your Kia owner's manual or features and functions guide that came with your new Kia. Thanks for watching.